Hello viewers, welcome to my video channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a data entry form in Excel. So to use the data entry form, first of all you have to go option and you have to disable the form in your quick access toolbar. So for that you have to go quick access toolbar and from here all commands, find out the form and just edit. So I have already edited here, so I will cancel it. For that we have to create a table. So for the table just I will put it some dummy data like SL number, name, address, then contact number and so on. So we will convert this area as a table because that entry form will not work without a table format. So for the table, to converting an area in a table, you have to press Ctrl T. We have to select from here. My table has headers, and that's done. Sorry, that's don't need actually. So now, if we use it here, that is cell number, name, address, and contact number. So see, look, SL, serial, name, address, and contact number. So we will try to add some data. Serial number is 1, the name is John, address somewhere, then contact number 1 2 3 4 5, enter, the data came here. So similarly you can go next. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and please do a subscribe.